Hey guys, it's your girl Cesari and I'm here. So guys, I'm doing a spend the day with me. I'm gonna clean my room, take a shower, cook something. Cooking with Tessie. Yes, so guys, stay with me while I clean my bed and go take a shower. So guys, hey guys, so I'm here about to brush. Guys, I'm brushing to you guys. Go get this toothpaste. It is the bomb. Literally, God, this bad, and I'm not even lying about it or none of that shit. So, guys, I'm gonna bed and I don't know me go cook, but I know me go cook. Like, I don't know me go cook. Guys, I finished taking a shower. It's now 11:38. So yeah, that's the right time for cook. I'm gonna put this on my face, like the oldest thing used on my face, because it's like my, I don't know guys, something to my face. It always a break out, then I see it go back clear, then it break out back, then it go back clear, and it break out back. So if you don't know now, can recommend. I will highly appreciate. It always, you just can't study my face. It no, I don't know when it take a break out, when it take a go back, or whatever. Right now, I look tree, but I just stop pumping. Yeah, so look like I am off like yeah, guys. So make a chef on who we are now. Put on my clothes and circle back as me. Mad. Why didn't finger yesterday, so? I finger them alone. I look a finger them alone. Bone jaws, so. Yeah, guys. I'm supposed to go to my hair today, no, because oh god, man, the area ball, bro. The area. I said no, mama, do my time. Take me off. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna do my hair. Let's give the wig some mercy and get back at you, cousins. Guys, so yeah, I'm gonna put on my clothes and checking back. Okay, guys, this is the fit. This is the way we rock and roll. guys, this is the thing. Guys, false start. So what did I know say? After Chef Juba ready for go mat up our food, the rice not there. GX more more rice. Guys, no rice not there. So look what the girl here forgot to know. Me I forgot what got the kind of store. Go buy rice. And the sun is so hot. Guys, I'm sweating Christ today, you know I'm hungry. Like, I'm literally not eating no from man at like 12 o'clock now. I'm gonna eat. So I'm gonna cook. I left some for my big back sister. Cause she ever said me I cook and I left me on free and mud me out after and say, yeah good. I ever cook and I left none for me, but every time I cook, I left food for you. Yeah, so me I go got this kind of store. The kind of store kind of dead. It's not really far, but I walk in distance. Guys, my Obama. Me keep me kill me. So yeah, when I gotta walk, I go buy the rice and catching up back. Me catching up back. You see me? Guys, I still a walk. Yes, I still a walk. So some of those fashion on my head. Some of those fashion on my head I remember say, me never seen a 2 minutes in the fridge. So I have to try get that. And I can't cross road, so I can't go Publix right now. Because Publix say cross the main road. And I can't go Publix right now because I cannot cross road as big as I be. I'm soon 19 years old. Caught that? I'm soon 19, guys. Sometimes I still don't remember when I could wait for turn 19, like I could wait for turn 18. I could wait for the... And guys, I wish I could go back younger right now because child, the responsibility you can take, honey. She's taking it, honey. Guys, so I almost reached the store. Why them put on the top on the Jewish boy here? Jesus Christ. Lord. Oh, I'm tired. I'm so rich at it. I'm actually rich. But the right is to ever stink. Like it's a piss pot. Or a piss pen. Because why is it ever rank? So guys, I'm reach at the store. I make a buy my rice. So I have to go to buy that one here. $5. $5 for rice and pound and a half for rice at Jamaica for about $100. Then now the tomato. Yeah. So guys, I have to just buy the rice. And I must say, I could buy a sardine one time. But in the mustard sauce, ew, like yuck. Tastes so bad. I couldn't even eat it. I have to give me cat. So I go buy my rice and get back to y'all. I get my rice. GX, more rice. Guys, the sun is like taking it. Let me, guys. Why am I never? Anyways, me I walk about 50 miles. 50 miles. It's something on my face so shiny. And glasses. Guys, I think I'm gonna do my ears. My ear to the arm, my nails, because if you didn't know, now you know. I do my own nails and I do my own hair. So I don't have to pay to do it. I don't have to pay to do it. All the time I pay for my ear is when it's either my birthday or a holiday or my just feel like I pay for my ear. But other from that, I do my own shit. Yeah. And I do my own nails. I got all my products, all my stuff. Because guys, I actually want to be a wig influencer because I want a free wig. Like, who don't like freeness? Me need free wig. Gonna come give me them, come give me them, come give me them. Yeah. Jesus Christ. I'm tired. I need free wig, guys. I want to be a wig influencer so bad, like literally so bad. But I don't know what to do, what to say, what to text, who to follow, nothing. It's like I did I try for I want iguana that. I said the iguana them no fishy. I did I try to be one DHgate affiliate. But it never work out because it's like I not have the amount of followers on TikTok. Them I think you have to have 5,000 followers and up. And I'm not gonna buy no followers. I'm not gonna buy no followers, so I'm gonna just wait and sit out that until. But I did try. And I did try to be a Temu affiliate, but it worked for me one time, guys. And let me throw the bag over myself like a Jamaican. It worked for me. I get some free stuff one time. And I make the video and put it on my TikTok, but it's like I never do it good or I never really have no guidance to do them something. Because none of my friends them not really do them something. So I never have no guidance or know what to do or some. But I just say I gonna make the video and the review and put the code and all of that. Yeah, and that's what I do. But the people them reach out back to me. The people them don't reach out back to me. I was so ashamed. I was so ashamed of myself. But with that being said, I see on something named Whoop. Something about make money app with Shein ambassador shit. I did that. I see it come up on my phone every minute, so I gotta try out that. Because at the end of the day, you have to start from somewhere. So I gotta try out that also. Guys, I know say bad to bad. I always try for the things like I always try for do my own shit. I always try for do my own stuff and all that. Because sometimes I just like the things. I just like video, you know, like all of them stuff. I'm like, you know, I'm like influencer stuff. So I always try to them. Some of them I always try for the life and TikTok, make money and all of that. I just like to them stuff, but I need a job. And I actually used to sell junk cases, but for some reason I kind of stopped because you know sometimes some people make it get discouraged and all that. So yeah, me stop because at one point maybe I get discouraged because well, if people used to message me on my page, because I actually have a page feed, used to message me on my page and I used to say, alright, them used to say, build a case say, I'm going to want it next week and da 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 da. And then when we do it, I not see like they get back to me or nothing like that. So I say, alright, make it a school app for this a little bit because this don't really make sense. But it actually bring more money and it actually make me spend money because I spend money for ship them items. I actually spend money for buy all of them stuff. Watch the iguana in the middle of the road. Anyways, guys, I reach home, so make us start cooking. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my rice because you know, a bitch gotta do what she gotta do. Just want to make a put my phone. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna stand. I'll put my phone on. Because this only can stick one glass. My rice don't cook and I just wait for the next part for add some. I just go and wash up my plate and add some. So guys, me wait on the why am I making my rice shake so? Me wait on the rice to go and cook by. I'm gonna just go and put on some rice. You know me not like it? Anyway. Guys, one heap of pasta. You don't know say me I cut the bully beef key broke off and when I look no but when I look I find spaghetti for putting at the bully beef. So me have to go wait till the spaghetti me have to wait till the spaghetti boil, then I put it in the bully beef. Me have to cut the bully beef thing and put it in the fridge and wait till the spaghetti boil. Too much things is going on. And cooking with sassy, cooking with big tea, cooking with big tea. So guys, I finish cook and make sure not wait look. So tea. Guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat now and what am I gonna do? I'm gonna eat. This bump is so disturbing. Be for real. I'm gonna eat now and go and watch some TikTok and then maybe come back or when me go do my ear. I think I want to do my ear, no, I don't want to do my ear. Like, I want to do my ear, I don't want. My feet so lazy to do my ear. But I think I go do it. The only way I go do it, and if I just lap my hair and take off the wig, cause so I go, I don't, I go lap my hair and take off the wig and do my ear. Me I go do my ear. Promise to know. So I go come back when I go do my ear, and then I go upload the video. That's gonna be any part of the video. Then I think I go I don't know. But as soon as I know me come telling you. But guys, my lash is so tea, like so tea. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat now because I'm hungry. Like I'm gonna eat from morning. I know I like 1 something or 2 something. I don't really know the time coming on my iPad. So I'm gonna eat, watch some TikTok, then let me take out the wig so I can do my ear. So I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Mwah. Hey guys, I'm back. So guys, I do my ear off camera, which it not finished yet because I go curl it. I'm doing the band, the headband style. So I really want to have a look natural look, like oh when it's sweating how it look. So yeah, but I do all of this off camera because I can't see my head front, my love. So yeah, so I'm gonna curl it and catch you up back. Guys, this is the finishing look, but give me a minute. Give me 1 sec. Let me fix these curls. Have you ever mad me if you see? I'm coming back. Here it is. You can do both way, you can flip over yourself. So I'm curling it seriously. Flip some, and you can flip the other way. Yeah, I just want to eat that for this. You know, I'm gonna look at my man. So this is it, guys. Yeah. So anyways guys, I'm finished and yeah, I'm finished. I'm finna go cut it though, but for now it's gonna be like this. So I'm finished and I'm gonna I'm hot. Guys, so anyway, I'm finished. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Make a try upload this tonight, so bear with me. May I try upload this tonight, so guys, stay tuned. Subscribe, like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend that I'm back. Like literally, tell a friend to tell a friend I'm back, guys. So yeah, I look kind of island now. I look on bed. I look crazy. I feel like I will asleep. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna do something. I don't know, I'm gonna do my nails. I'm a tool. Yeah, so yeah. So guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned to see more of me and more of everything. Bye. Mwah.